In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change an epic color in Jira. Changing epic colors is a simple way to visually organize your work, especially if you have a busy board with lots of issues. Different colors can help you quickly spot which epic a task belongs to, or group related work at a glance. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps you need to follow, starting from your project view and ending with a new color applied to your epic. First, make sure you're in the right Jira project and on a view where you can see your epics. In this example, we're in a Kanban-style project looking at all the work items. Once you're in your project, look for the epic you want to update. This might be in a list of issues, a side panel, or a backlog or board view, depending on how your Jira is configured. Next, move your mouse over the epic so you can see the clickable elements associated with it. In your interface, you'll see a small highlighted area or icon connected to that epic. Click on the highlighted part that opens more details about the epic. This could be the epic's name, a small tag, or an icon beside it. The important thing is that this click should bring up a more detailed view or panel for that specific epic. When the panel or expanded view appears, look again for a highlighted control that lets you open the full work item. This is often called View Work Item or something similar. Click on that option to open the epic in its own page, where all of its fields and settings are available. Now that the epic is open on its dedicated page, look toward the top of the screen near the epic's title. Here, you should see another small highlighted element tied to the epic's appearance. This is where Jira lets you control things like the epic color. Click on that highlighted area. A color selector or palette will appear, showing a range of preset colors. Take a moment to choose a color that makes sense for your workflow. For example, you might use one color for front-end work, another for back-end, or separate colors for different teams. Once you click on your chosen color, Jira will automatically apply it to the epic. You should see the new color reflected immediately in the epic's label or tag, and it will update anywhere that epic appears across your project. And that's it. You've successfully changed the color of an epic in Jira, making your board cleaner, clearer, and easier to scan.